係啊，各位聽眾歡迎人，再到嚟邊啲學期嘅節目當中特別，我哋希望做啲節目做，希望個阿莫管等了嘅，啲節目搞了，我哋可以講即係邊啲學見頭一出邊啲學見嘅電會戲誒導演，即係 director 嚟講，我哋拍攝歡迎我哋特別嘅嘉賓蘇忠興特別今日叫做邊啲人，歡迎邊啲人。
Hello，
了個有參加我哋嘅 director 或導演就係咧，就是小樂。好屌，歡迎好屌，到底嚟？
特別我冇曉就估啦就。
哎呀，你冇曉乜事曉啦，咪就冚點曉。
冇啊，啲導演嘅年頭整啦，特別就正經，一數半入波嚇。
未使。
咪上吊呀，正經嘅上吊嘅暗上。
正嘅條上曉。
我睇過。
我是新嘅嘉賓咧，曉邊啲人我哋新嘅嘉賓咧，我特別邊啲學嘅我都叫佢開講講，每人就係話。所以我咪為了話就是到底邊啲，到底到了會出事，到底大漢。
這是我啦嗬。
屌！
我聽到你講開卡剛剛，我都唔想，唔是我嘛。
不，我哋係新嘅guest 起來話 show 咧，我就叫人卡開剛剛，我哋唔會話。
好。
所以你特別能得一個大漢，得一個出事。
Actually，就是Lorong 100 tahun. I was delivered there in a clinic 嗰邊。แล้ว特別我嘅 family 住是ตัวHái-kînn Sin-lōo 咯 ，Victoria Street。So 我見那個大漢ตัวHái-kînn Sin-lōo 啦 ，literally。Yeah。Then 特別當今 family 冇ตัว喺邊啦，當今 family 搬去法林啦。
I see。所以到Hái-kînn Sin-lōo大漢咧，特別有啲少年嘅冇咩知，講係做咩事叫做Hái-kînn Sin-lōo？actually 我頭冇咩知，我是鄧仲本嘅囡仔，所以我就照去鋪地啊，所以我冇咩知講啲Victoria Street 是叫做Hái-kînn Sin-lōo喎。阿龍都知哦，定到時。
我就係頓家人 Well 嗰條路叫做Hái-kînn嘛。
哦。
Well 叫做Hái-kînn邊有一條新嘅路咪叫Hái-kînn Sin-lōo咯，伊是搭底路就嘛 Victoria Street。
特別當見咧，邊啲學見你聽講，我哋上少年咧啊，冇咩仔講嘢路名叫做咩？叫做Hái-kînn Sin-lōo，所以Hái-kînn Sin-lōo就是 Victoria Street。
對，特別因當然就是去到鋪底，去到Victoria Street 嘅話，一路牌是有電人字嘅，有寫就Hái-kînn Sin-lōo四個字本嘅。
哎呦，白紙蛋特別去下面翕小影。特別去下面翕小影，然後每咧 OK，所以你到下邊你到下你探面學堂咧。
我 St. Xavier's 接落嚟 ，from St. Xavier's Primary School to St. Xavier's Secondary School， then after that 過嚟走去Singapore University 啦。
哦，他到下邊，所以你是等日邊St. Xavier's 嘅小學加大中學，咪是上一屆嚇，一接掉嚇。
是，接咗了。
聽到我咪去比賽超過到啲St. Xavier's。
特別嗰路驚啊！嗰間St. Xavier's 啲 protocol 是唔是？
branch school.
Branch school. St. Xavier's branch school.
我 Adventist 入邊嘅，我爸爸教過入邊。
是啊，你爸爸 teacher 嚟啊？
對，我爸定到教St. Xavier's 本嚟啊。
是啊。
唔知有教。
你是教咩 subject？
哎呦，我未記咯，韓那是 English 是唔知啊，未記。
韓那個 English 咧正差你知哦。
特別那是講你爸有可能有教嘅，Mr. 所本喎。
特別有可能哦，有可能啊，
有可能哦。Mr. 所嘅少年有可能。
少年是唔加講啦，特別young at heart 啦，young at heart。
你咪真老，冚到驚，你驚個爆。
我就冇驚呀。
安尼你畫面應該叫冇驚。OK，所以你特別係有可能我爸爸教佢，如果唔知啊 ，Mr. Ong 都不教先生教 Mr. Ong 哦，教出嚟先生。
Ong 咩啊
？Ong 少坤，哎呦，少就講出嚟，Ong 少坤。特別
I'm not sure 啦，
特別依家少年嘅話，係伊教成 service 時，伊把你出來係教成 service 誒，了就走去保養。
哦。Berarti bola because I don't recall Mr. Ong. Yeah. Tapi cina cik teachers wa bum beki yang ni ya, eki yang bin bumi eki yang ni ya. You know? Yeah.
所以 OK 我當咩每到呢到底嚟話題你其實嗬其實安怎 start 去hippie 咧講話安怎你讀成時要出來啊去新加坡讀到學了是安怎會入去這個 hippie 這個行咧
我入去 hippie 啊actually honestly after touch Singapore 時我讀4年特別 in the end 冇 pass 啊冇畢業啊冇畢業แล้ว
你4年讀咩
啊
4年讀係咩
我讀science double physics and math 啦
我 fail
yeah actually 古早lang我點寫啦古早我點寫yang 冇寫 career guidance career counseling 啊咩物件啊 so I was quite just touch as quite a okay student 啦 so that's why science stream so 接落嚟 apply university 時咪是頭 apply science 本咯because Pinapi 嘛冇咪想講就是我要做咩冇去想到แล้ว入去大學university 嘅時咁嚟 realize 講actually 這裡唔是我要做嘅物件嚟特別I was the 頭一個囝入 university 嘛 so my parents persuade 我嚟講 try 啦 since you're the first son first child that 入so try 個 in the end try 個冇攞咯 you know what I mean
你冇那冇興趣啦但你一半แล้ว興趣
冇係我 feel แล้ว repeat 嘢半 feel repeat 嘢先咪就 touch 咯yeah so 就 touch 嘅時 of course parents 講對嚟啦唔要緊啦特別啷自己辣死嘛自己睇死嘅樣走嚟 KL 咯我走嚟 KL 時就迄陣 actually 我唔捌半人本啊冇位大 also 冇咪累 you know because 唔係咁樣嘅累啊，佢唔係純 feel 啦，佢比咁樣純粹嘅累 you know so masih aneh咯I was given an opportunity to 做一個廣告人叫我做廣告做一個廣告然後 after that I thought quite fun 啊這個物件冇得對我會做這個工you know
特別你安怎會調節 from double physics into hippie 安尼無像 feel 你會一頭去做廣告嘅呢塊
because 廣告是有一個朋友新加坡嘅介紹 so 我嚟 KL 時我唔捌半人嘛 so 這個朋友跟我講是你阿咪數你 phone 我係 KL 這個Judy 啦Judy Ong aku itu kang salon film sih so 我去對林地時講我介紹你一個廣告做แล้ว from there 我 start to interested in 被拍戲咯 so 我 join as crew 咯
你慢慢 OK 啦
係啦是aku 收口卡泡個筆更嚟會扣物件嘅แล้ว from there start 咯
做 PA 工
是 production assistant 嘅工嘅 yeah so 特別即談嘅工是Farida American 介紹我嘅咯
Farida American咪是這個
我會頭嘅咯 X 頭嘅
是咯because 我應想要做這個工嘅時我冇人我同捌人嘛所以我去 Yellow Pages 看 advertising agency yeah แล้ว A 拍嘅嚟嘅去 O&M because Farida 去 O&M 冇人哋做啊
哇，佢是 persistent 咯 A 拍嘅去 O
冇累嘛我未工嘛咪是對安尼做咯所以咪 phone 個 O แล้ว Farida 講 OK 你接嚟做啊so 我去對嘅時we got along very well 啦特別伊甲我講我係會冇工下路冇 vacancy 特別我有一個朋友 Joe Hasham 啦伊去吹人
迄點是朋友嚟啦
迄陣兩朋友個啦so 我咪是去對咗咯แล้ว Joe 學我一個工 so from there 我 start 啦特別I learned so much from Farida and Joe and Joe เป็นคน真係好嘅話啦 I mean I pick up quite fast and 伊本學我 a lot of chances promote 我 and 學我 handle quite big shoots quite quickly 啦
學你機會學你學啦
伊學我真係一個機會真係一個 opportunity 啦 yeah so 安尼啦
了做了，安怎做合併學了嘅時，你其實翕到只 feature film 啊，佢出電開戲。
Okay, Hele was start as si P16 ni was start production assistant. What hit why he is the first movie si 2002.
Oh.
Tapi what cinaku tapi because what start in the industry he was a producer like.
Oh.
So what producer ka after a while kui post production house, cukang ka advertising agency, dah ukaki kongsi KL ka Singapore. Now after that, what decided to direct. So I started directing in 1995. Cho music video ka Pakong Kolo. So the music video is the KRU Fanatic. Last time for Malaysia, swing to like Cina Ho lah. And that was the video that launched my career. Then even went to Kika New York MTV finals for Asia category. Yeah. So swing to home lah, you know.
搞啦搞。
tapi 我感覺講唔是你 lucky 唔是好命咯，因為愛成功嘅話，即係你行過安尼長安尼久安尼濟，奇奇怪怪嘅，空唔記得你唔做緊了，我冇感覺你是 lucky 咯，即係是你自己拍拼出來物件嚟。
Actually, to be honest, Kihao, 古早拍拼嘅時啊，because I really enjoy what I do，冇去想到 as 拍拼 ，you know what I mean？我即頭做呢，即頭做啦。Tatahan pun si quite sun lili, you know what I mean? So, yeah lah, it was good for me lah. I mean, but honestly speaking, I always believe, Chile mình kaya tete tobe ulak ya. Asi we wakon we lang, we colleagues kaku kucha chokan pun si gao ma, chang lang like, you know, I mean, and also good luck ma. Tapi for some reason, bo the same opportunity, you know what I mean? So,
sometimes lang lu拍片是lu嘅功課，lu運管嘅時。你談到這機會咧，但是你冇做功課咧，你個冇做功課嚟講，你本事未成功，所以你都要功課參加好運嚟講，就變做蘇忠興。
冇人講嘛，機會是學有準備嘅人嘅。
是啦，
冇準備嘅人，嗰啲機會都冇用。
對，愛拼啊，只贏。
特別拼，yeah. So what direct?Just to continue a little bit more, I direct TV commercials and music video from 95 to 2000. So what 2000 is what ko cipai feel that lu cai lah anaku in the industry lah lu si siang ko actually was a bit joa mi min kia. You know, I mean waka really want to do and then the answer was movies lah. Of course.He cuma tu empat lang in the movie. What tu film production in TV commercial and music video tapi wang industry quite fragmented because Kong ko lang ka pa hi lang si bo siang set
I see.
So masih ban ko try lah. Ban phone lang gitu lang mi so try ka noni ke leo ka.Got the opportunity to direct a movie.
Yeah. 係咪戲呢？頭一出係戲。
頭一出嘅戲是華納戲叫做《Putri Gunung Ledang》。
我會記個。我一出一出。
你會記啊？
我會記。
你做見哪係嘛？
我冇講就見啦，我冇講少就聚會咗就。
我是咩？可能小英成個真係小靚。
我係小英 Photoshop 過一個可能。
伊比我較老嘅 OK， 伊比我較大係幾難嘅 OK。
我比較老。
你咪傳播嘢呢？
唔要緊㗎啦，人仔我自己78歲咧，其實特別我係邊個隻水。
有件事變水嘅嘛，即係第有件嘅。
對，誒冇，我記不住Gunung Ledang出嘅時我係記咗就。
呢是 movie 是 musical 性啊。
Movie was 2004.
2004
What hit in 2002? The movie came out in 2004. Yeah.
I see. 我記真係水，because 只人講啦，還是因為人本地嘅 production typically 是冇咩I mean entertainment 嘅 value 是相看嘅一些對一個 format 看了咁樣想啦，我聽到是我嘅 impressions 咁樣。Then 我記不住Gunung Ledang。紅險伊成個伊出嘅時，伊成個 有拍檔到你貴嘅 industry，但冇覺得叮當嘅啦，講哇，這出啦，係咪物件？所以談只係what？咪你是唔是談 the best director 啊？這裡
是啦，yeah. So it was also Puteri Gunung Ledang was Sangka aku kuca was start directing music video. That music video yang kalau award dia Sangka help me set up my name. The movie Puteri Gunung Ledang pun ane lucky break lah.
Wow.
Because what should like see what all the awards and also it was the Tau Chi Chut Malaysia he officially selected for Venice Film Festival in Venice. So quite
名聲哪來那胖啊？你名聲哪來那胖哪來那紅啊？
是咯，但係呢迄陣貴人啦，because 佢家俾我，
笑啊
，you know，計爽住佢，
哇！你如果實講有蝦米無相哦？你講做翕番那戲，搞就是等人如果實有蝦米無相哦。
Actually, that time it was quite unusual lah because aside from me, 唔是我一人咧，個一間等人做成個 TV drama 嘅物件，特別冇咪真啊濟等人做這個物件啦。So a lot 有真啊濟人本是成個有 question 啦，講安怎一間會去愛做人嘅歡喜呢？特別 from 我 I mean 我Malaysian 嚟嘛，對 ，so we are used to yeah because aku cakap my father mother 坐去看戲，我看當人戲阿毛戲，歡喜本 kling 啦戲本是看，you know like hati merah sati lah Bobby lah tiada esok bagimu lah ami kui kalau戲本看，so I guess my appreciation or my for films 是 from 做見啦係啦，特別你無去想到你會自己會家己去direct 一個戲 ，you know，so 有人 curious and a lot of reporters pun si cina mui cile mungkin lah tapi in the end the result the movie speaks for itself loh.
Then 我咪你翕戲時，你做 director，你 enjoy 你最suka 做 as a director 是蝦米物件咧？翕戲時。
哎呦，真係濟咯。Of course I love working with a good team lah. When you're supported by a good team. Huh?
I mean the main 嘅係是係咪咧？最是 form 類啲咩
？Okay, so what's the producer director? Tapi whenever I go into a movie, what I call lu direct is the kau gap boing now. So I always work with another producer. So in this Hái-kînn Sin-lōo he co-producer so to speak si Leonard T lah. Ipun si pahai lang lai is the Ucho Chinache produce Chinache he for Chai Ming Liang in Taiwan. You know? So what pun si Tau Chi Chut Teng Lang hi ma. So Teng Lang market, Teng Lang crew, Teng Lang cho kang pan what the bumi chai you know I mean all the while all cho si chu hi ka leo si hwana before that. So what kitu Leonard lo kong lu isu to long wa cho có pe cho chi chu hi you know lấy con script con okay tăng lại ki cho. Now the other person the next big person for me is obviously the cinematographer lah because he translate Louis vision into Louis idea into pictures ma Teo, and that's what people see ma you know. So what ku but Christopher Doyle koi so masih Kim contact again no.
你捌甲伊做一合作翕戲過哦，還是頭一擺？
唔捌頭一擺。But I mean 我捌two過 because 古早是我有一個 company 叫做 Fortissimo 是specialty art house specialty company 嚟啦。one of the partners there 是一個 Dutchman 叫做 Walter。So Walter 有來 Malaysia 過拄着我過 and 我 share 一個 script with 伊過 and Walter 有意思被 produce。So Walter 叫我去香港拄伊，所以我去香港拄伊時，我去食飯嘅時，伊叫參叫Christopher Doyle 嚟，然後伊就一頭叫 Christopher Doyle，你特別翕一個戲甲一個囡仔，我啦。Then tapi wang after Hong Kong 我對來差不多要簽 contract 了時 Walter 冇條啲歸線佢歸線 heart attack 到 Bangkok when he was post production of 一個 Thai movie 做嘅啦 so 歸線了
what year 啊係時
迄個是 at least 5年前啊6年前啊 because 我 start 這個 idea 是7年前7年前 so I think 1 year 啦6年前嗰隻yeah so 一歸線了咪是冇去咯so 冇去了咪是我做別嚟換下犧牲咁咪個了啦到Josie Day Georgetown Festival 佢 contact 我佢講今年你要做 anything 你 any idea 你要做 anything 哦所以我講還是我要做 Hokkien play how about that 佢講哇真係 good idea because Georgetown Festival 唔係 Hokkien play 佢嘛 at that point 啦 I think so 我咪是寫咗啲 script film script I already wrote it as a film script like adapt into like play 啦
So okay, so it existed. 你食頭時你成時啊，伊 script 咧是 film 嘅 script 嚟 ，but then 你 adapted to for 即係Georgetown Festival as a play. Then go okay 明白啊。
Go in the end after that because after Walter 歸線嘅時，我本去找人咯，去找 everybody in town 啦 ，Astro 啦，Mila with the script yang 講。哎喲，這裡係樣冇意思要做啦。So I think so because first thing is in Hokkien market 人都唔知講會行未行，賺錢未賺錢 and of course they are businessmen 啦，you know 對。Then the second thing is that family drama 是冇咩事件嘅 topic 嚟，當然人做嘅了是 horror 啦、comedy 啦、action 啊安尼嘅。So drama 是冇事件嘅 genre。So這個物件個了有關係到啦，我睇唔到你女嚟去做這出戲。But after 我做 the play 嘅時，人看到 the play 了 ，the reaction 真係 strong。And then after 人看到 the play 了嘅時，people start to understand what I was trying to do. You know what I mean? Then because one play 時 the best reaction was that 唔是 Hokkien 人嘅，看啦、聽啦，reviewers from Straits Times 啦 ，from Star 咪嚟 review from Harper's Bazaar 咪嚟 review 時，樣寫個真係好嘅 review and quite touched. So it shows that although it is in Hokkien, it reach out to touch 到人嘅心 regardless 啦 ，yeah。The second thing, sorry.
But 龍，last time 我係記得講我講過嘛，就係Hái-kînn is a place.
He was involved. He helped me train the actors in the Hokkien, helped me with the Hokkien translation and the all those things 㗎了，you know。
這是迄個戲白班，這唔是戲大班個，這是戲白班。
戲白班啊，對。
because
啲酷講是戲白班咧。
到啲酷講是，我會記真係特別，你即係人甲我講，伊是唔是到啲伊成日伊到啲出來裏面伊個。
是，你揾個做羅陣嘛 ，because the course 是past and present 嘛，so 羅陣 at the same time 行呀個 course， so challenging 嘅係 because 揾條 synchronize 樓頂嘅阿爹acting so 未 clash 嘛，咧有陣時樣 action 佢就成個有 mirror each other 啦，像阿爹做物件樓頂本是做 at the same time，you know，and of course 樣樓頂阿爹看唔到 each other 嘛，所以樣特別。Timing 真係好 and I must say why production team and the cast and all that 真係好了 make the whole production 真係順 and 真係水啦。
我梗係希望俾看過當今，杜咧戲。
咁先，我基本一條是 Independence Day 嘛嗬，我哋講，基本一條我到底做 Joe Hasham กับ Farida American 去看過。
是咯，
佢只顧落河，落淡薄河。
是啦。Joe กับFarida were very kind 啦 ，they had very kind words to say to me also。
เป็นนักHokkien聽眾是講，讓佢被像被看咧，免煩惱，因為等會戲要出了。
5月4號，cinema。
5月4號走去台北單Hái-kînn新路，單了安怎呢？頭一條就俾佢一單廿條，甲讓佢面做隻翕小影，翕咗小影走去 facebook.com/Penang Hokkien，就是 Penang Hokkien 嘅 Facebook page 位啦嚇，去看到一個 post，Hái-kînn and 個咧 give away 嘅 post 位。 到啲 comment 嘅裏面，要見到啲 comment 嘅裏面 upload 亂嘅小影去，然後 hashtag YMTWTM，就是 you mean the world to me 啊，加 hashtag PGHK， 頭8條段咧都有彈一條斑鳩，啊無就是一個歌咧，歌咧加斑鳩咧是只特別嘅就，伊是有海墘新路 logo 印條嘅。所以按照講8條段咧，唔是8個人咧，就是看亂嘅小影裏面有幾個人，例如你小影裏面有9個人，差唔多條段咧，你都彈落嘅機會，彈斑鳩還是彈歌咧，成來咧就彈經愛彈斑鳩還是彈歌咧，若是較換來咧，村嘅下面當就彈下面啦嚇。若是講你無5月4號去看海墘新路，你會使等到5月11號，佫有另外一個機會彈歌咧，彈斑鳩。若是你到啲面朝伊無彈到咧，免驚。你到啲5月4號到加5月12號，你可能是你若是到啲 Snapchat 裏面有對話咧，你個有彈機會彈斑鳩、彈歌咧個。
OK，我接落去講是，但嘛是講 not only唔是福建人嚟看啦，令人看了本有 reaction，but also 少年人看了本是有意思嘅一出戲。So that was a surprise because 往時想family 戲是嗰隻有會聲嘅人去看嘅。特別 actually when 往做 the play 時 ，some of the 少年人quite affected until 伊戲了嘅時，因個借了嗰邊個好啦，冇病起來好嘅別แล้ว往嘅 usher 嘅แล้วตัวร้องคันยังชุด because 往ไปตุ้ยมา嘅แล้ว so that was very encouraging for the film investors lah. So that's why then people felt okay บ่ได้這出戲有 chance 人嚟去係啲旅落去看拍這出戲看咗咯
OK แล้ว所以嚟接住這出戲去แล้ว你會講咩個 before 我咪聊白關係這出戲嘅咩啊
我會講I mean seriously Hokkien 人 should come and support 這個戲as有意思有人嘅 industry 有這個 Hokkien film industry 呢to hold support and also as once 人suka 看到這出戲人好去跟人講拖人嘅爸母來 because May 4號開嘛 Mother's Day 是 next weekend 嘛 you know what I mean 這是真係主要嘅 family 嘅 because 講嘅安怎講等講啲 in the end 嘅了 what we have is our family it's the most important thing in our life
แล้ว尤其是嚟邊啲福建聽人啦你已經是支持你是愛啲事然後講福建話咧係嘛แล้วเป็นในฮอกเกนใน聽眾已經本是卡啲真係熱心เป็นในฮอกเกน所以我是希望你人聽眾咧會去看了對嚟甲我講看就是按照你頭這是頭一出เป็นในฮอกเกน嘅電會戲啊咱就要去支持一下看แล้ว我唔知我真係สุด就是伊唔是一個成個 expected 普通嘅咧小不講嘅故事伊個話伊個 topic 甲伊個故事係是直接深嘅我啦殺掉伊唔是講安尼簡單你叫話哈笑過就煞甚至真正有意思嘅尤其是我媽的時如果應該坐你巴黎嘛咁樣佢經出人去看你做這出戲你寫是你是Penang人嘅時候你是唔是因為安尼你要用Penang福建來做你戲呢你定到你嘅戲病戲甲是你嘅電會戲當今日你要
actually 古早我 start 這個 project 是我去吹女嘅時我有去新加坡讀新加坡嘅 MDA and producers yang有 intention 就學我的女咯特別yang叫我換去 Mandarin 特別我 feel 講這裡 because 這裡個是 based on my family 嘅人 so language is also a very important part of it you know what I mean so 冇想嘛我嘅 family my father 有講淡薄 Mandarin but the rest of us 冇講 Mandarin 我是 speak to each other in Hokkien and 淡薄 English 啦 you know so I feel I had to stay 準stay so 咪講成個還是冇我做這裡個是講 Tamil 我是想講 you know what I mean what's the point so
伊個數是係咪 language 咩特別 對你嚟講，那是你要自己做你即係咧，你 ideal 嘅 choice 是用對你自己嘅話先對。
對。And to do the characters justice because 成日有陣時你看 dubbing 嘅戲是真係 weird 嘅嘛，you know what I mean? Although the message is the same, the 是成日冇準嘅咧 picture，你
rasa，我 rasa 成日伊成日冇呢 authentic 時間冇呢正去，我 rasa 係如果你 dub 係你成 interrupt 到伊嘅講話嘅 rhythm 伊嘅聲，咪個了成冇呢正去。
Yeah, because I really believe language shapes our thinking and shapes our personality. You know what I mean? And recently I came across an article that said it sets priorities in life is based and your principles in life. A lot of it is based on language that you speak. Because even the way Chinese is structured, the way Malay language is structured, the way English language is structured. It makes you think in a certain way. You know what I mean? So Louis thinking inadvertently is shaped by Louis language that the main language you speak. That's why we can see lang kong ting lang oka amo o lang kong wa bo be cham si it cham la tapi be kong cina close. You know what I mean? I guess this might be a superficial reason, but at first I thought that might be a superficial reason, but actually how you think is shaped by how you speak.
So 你那是你哇，所以你有累，特別你咁話咪做，你要等㗎，until 你會做到你只愛用福建話來做這句。你有rasa到成個，哎呦，那是講我做那款嘅 decision 有可能你是英文本未貼到這句福建咯呢？你有把煩惱過呢？
有啦 of course, but the thing is 特別歡喜咁玩咯 because as you want to stay true to a vision sometimes 你有咧學期咧你做掉，還是冇咧學期咪是有陣時就過去咯，and not like 冇攤做咯 but if I decide 咧我特別how say live with the consequences 啦，特別歡喜咁玩㗎 whatever happens 啦 because 你control everything in the world 所以你看你啊
呢個都有血
你真係邪嘅人嚟，你就係講
歡迎，我係聽眾已經知我係看了，是個你頭一擺你係老斜曬，嚇掉啫
，OK，安尼咯
，OK，แล้ว
แต่ว่าก็個sorry 我佢特別 add 淡薄
，OK 講
，producer then the cinematographer is very important so waktu tengok Christopher Docker so waktu tunjuk cuy sih when what handle the Louis sih wa tunjuk cuy kong dari kio lang tu แล้วตรงที่ว่าช่วยเดี๋ยวเลยแล้วลูกก็อีสุโจอีกองโอเคดู send ว่า the script or send me the script แล้วอีกก็เห็นกองโอเคว่าไรโจว่าไรโจฮอลลี่ so วังช่วยก็เลยPenang gitu ข้อPenangแล้วอีกก็กะหอย because อีจินfeel that Penang สิจินphotogenic and tatawi lu aim le camera si sui you know I mean yeah so ipun si China hoa hi cho chile min la and China hobby wang la because is international standard China chut mia cinematographer lai lu chai kong lang Penang Malaysia hi budget si bo nowhere near equal si min la you know I mean so ipun bo chua ye team lai ikaki chilang lai ami ka leo ipun agree cho so what China kam sia kai la you know yeah so he was very very kind to us lah
wow 所以我梗係未打慳，我未打慳，我未看過佢時候，但我被未了就是你翕這些嘢時，你拄到下面物件你拄到下面物件坎坷 challenges，嗰啲實翕起嘅時，你拄到下面物件坎坷物件咧 challenges。
actually 上啲坎坷物件是上到對國家嘅物件 because
emotionally 坎坷。
the emotional baggage lah because 我想起 from the process 我 start 是寫起嘅時 look kaki in the process of writing lu sia is lu realize kong pada tio lu cho china che min kia pun la cho gina is you know be health xiao as I mean you know what I mean so it was an necessary process for me you know it was a good process for me as well but it wasn't easy lah china kan ko recognize kaki fault kaki cho mtio min kia you know what I mean so you have to look at it objectively and try to be
面配教教
you know you want to be fair to everybody you portray in a film I mean that's the intention lah. Then the process is one hip to one chu is the art director cho production designer cho the chu kaka is siang ka wai ku chu one chip ki kaki the feeling the feeling ki leo men cho bang the feeling ki leo you know so
wow 我講俾妹女知，我到底跳到底較早嘅 process 是，問你寫了嘅時候，你幾年起有想到這個 idea 要寫這個 script 咧？ Around what year 是
？I think 七年正是2010 2010啦 ，around then 啦 ，yeah， 我未記 exactly when 啦，特別我。It came to a point that what hip. But you sometimes you especially when you stop and think. Sure, I mean issue. Why am I doing this? What is the purpose of what I do? You know. Then I felt I really want to watch a film that okay, Putri Gunung Ledang made me famous, but I don't think there's a film that completely represent why. You know. Yeah. So, what would it be? I asked myself. What would I? So I said, what Loki sia si? Is sangat gypsy and automatically was sia chulai. Si family cause to sanga and also I wrote it with no jit la sajit.
Oh wow! 你平常時有寫 script 冇呢？還是直到你睇寫你平時有個叫寫 script 冇？
平常時我寫usually 我 co-write because it's in Hwana language. Was share with the Hwana writer together lah. But because it's in Hokkien you know, so one kaki share lo. So share lo ki is once start share lo ki is sangka be ting bo break bo handbrake So di share out 出來嘅了sangka kucha kosu and also. The most important relationships in Lang and life is usually with Lang and family, you know, and gam, the family is the something important and influence in Lang and life. They shape who we are, you know, to a large extent. Of course, of course you can make certain decisions on your own, but to a large part, Louis' personality is shaped by Louis' upbringing and also by your immediate family members, you know. Boring lah the process, mesti kong the process, but
wow.
Yeah,
I mean, do a script will go through revision versions?
Cinace.
Okay.
Yeah, Cinace because share with some friends and then because lang kaki story lang si uwe mikir si tu lang kaki Cina beng. Tapi tu palang si
ancuan ni.
You know
你kaki ka明顯啦，你就俾別人嚟講，我即係想看冇咪清楚，你就俾
why Cheleni? So you got to then start to tweak lah. And also because what's here about the family and of course what's here si what kui hui si chap kui hui almost got chap hui you know what I mean si chap kui hui so lu Cina che min kaya so lu siya about chilela hilela you know what I mean so when you look at it properly, after the feedback I get from some friends, some close friends who read the script, I look at it properly. You have to see Chile films is actually about Amia. And then from there, you streamline the story because they kong tatahang Egypt you know what I mean? Lang kuy life. Si chap kui ni min kia be hai ki tiam kwa ching. It's impossible. So to be select lah. So that's why at the end of the day, what's in the movie is based on a true story. It's not an autobiography completely because sangga cause will bin Chile brother and Chile sister. Tapi in real life, no sisters sa le brother. 特別你未做即個戲佬上濟人嘛，
你未做 introduce character 㗎了，未好 mini series 嘛
boleh tengok lah, boleh tengok TV series tapi that's why and also the character utansi cile mingke happen now jicap ni ceng ka cile mingke happen tapi for the sake of storytelling lu bring it closer together you know what I mean
明白
because realize 是我咱見節小妹10年整個嚟講起you know 唔是講明仔講起還是後節講起 you know what I mean yeah
對
別熟個10年整個嚟嘅小妹 again you know what I mean so 即係有 collapsing of the timelines and collapsing of the characters 啦แล้ว also pun 有 imagine situations 是成個有陣時你想俾佢講嘅咧，特別你冇演點咁樣咧，寫佢時你講出嚟咯。
佢寫你會就你冇講特別會講嘅物件，你使講出嚟啊！
係啦，就是啦。So it's based on a true story 呢啦，it's not an autobiography. Yeah.
แล้วรู้แต่มาสิรู้講到一個拄到一個 challenges แต่มารู้講起了看考慮嘅 emotionally technically challenges
To be honest 我做這出戲算做真係順啊同樣是成個有成個一個 angel guiding us and one of course 有 some certain problems on the set 成個我有直接我 build the main set 咩仔被 hit 咯啱咩唔注意你 set 人被 somebody 被佢冚住追轉嘅 set 唔注特別我知道嘅時我啱咩知道嘅時我啱咩係能去冚嚟追啦佢 clear the water 嘅時 the set suddenly because the set 真係 dusty 嘅位because we built the set in a construction site 喺做 renovation 大咯suddenly 個了前期，but the next day 我翕嘅時，佢
冇拖款。
So I mean，冇拖款 and easy for the actors， you know what I mean？我個拖款個了本是按照去翕啊 ，you know what I mean？我自己去想啊，哎呦死啦，咩就按照翕。
但是隔位翕啊？
我翕個一時期咯。
你講話你冇上微博，你Penang嘛，就出邊咯，我看到我時，哇，我心真搖起呢，看到時有啲物件。
我翕 of course 我會翕 Clock Tower 我會翕Chiu Jetty 我會翕Packet Methodist School 我會翕Majestic Cinema 我會翕
都 Majestic 是大華 Majestic 是大華
是對แล้วก็翕ตลอดบะฮัง you know แล้วก็翕一時期就對啦yeah
你係幾節19節啊？你係幾節到底Penang嘅翕 production 是
actually 我 in the end 我翕16節呢我嘅 schedule 是19節特別 I think 我16節17節我就 stop 啦就了because everything went smoothly 嘛yeah and also the actors were very well prepared and did very well so in end 我 managed to 翕กระจา了個咋個人 schedule。
我講Hokkien話，我就講有你明星下攏會聽到，禮拜攏聽到另外一出你明星呢，人講呢就是有你唔是Penang人嘛，所以你安怎解決伊人嘅dialog咧？
即係是 headmaster教 help 我啦，技巧真有 help 我 not only translate but also if record 啲 dialogue line by line with the correct pronunciation so ยัง看我 Sanskrit 可以是ยังทักยัง有一個 Mandarin version 一個 English script and 一個 Hokkien translated script with Hokkien recording for their reference so ตัดline can you imagine 就看過做即技巧做嗰邊斜I'm sure
阿龍都講下咧，學點講下你經驗咁啫。
我特別甲咱嘅聽眾朋友歡呼者，若是各位若是有興趣要翕國建戲需要到人鬥下手嘅話咧，你就聯絡我啦嚇，我是校長。แล้ว即係我少累嘅啫，我唔是無累做可以嘅啫。即係講少累，即係我嘅 service 係攰圖嘅，所以我會使寫你 script， 會使翻譯好你，會使落埋音，佢會使加你英文，按照講正嘅福建話，Penang嘅福建話，特別直到這出戲真有意思咯，是因為伊戲裏邊有真濟人是南部嘅人啊，因唔是有一部分是會曉講，特別腔 無準，唔是講無準啊，是講無相嘅咧，無相啦，對無相，伊唔是無準是無相。係了，另外一種嘅咧，可是完全基本上是無講嘅。老實講啦，規個 process 裏面咧，未曉講嘅人咧，嗬，較嚴格咯，就你講對得背啊嘛，你對得背啊嘛，你拄着佢哋啊，正夠講，特別唔是人會巧嘅，迄個地咁講啦，因為伊講嘅點就伊家己有感情嘛，我計劃本是伊家己嘅話嚟咗，伊講出來是。你叫英國人調做美國人，這個是第咁好嘅 opinion。
Yeah, because yang 關係yang嘅自己音了，
對
啊，yeah， so 特別I think 後邊係水啦 ，because as I think 就音本是冇咩 feel 到啦 ，to be honest，and also 我自己 as a director 嘅 feeling 是安尼，是yang 搬去。伊是搬個真係好呢，你音走淡薄是無人嘅 notice 嘅。
對，你 look past it， yeah。
Because the feeling 是較要緊、較重要過 the accent，you know what I mean 啊 ？Yeah。
哇，笑哦！我咪講啦，這是點半正啊，佢出戲時候學緊話講有幾百淡薄講到淡薄嘅Mandarin，特別幾個淡薄阿莫話，特別幾出嘅啦時學緊話，所以可能是唔捌經驗過。看即本來福建嘅 film 咪是即事事大事是真正大咯，就各位聽眾。成個人十二年前頭一早聽到本來福建嘅 podcast 嘅時候，亂講亂朋友個了，你記唔出邊人講 ，Oh my god，你冇聽過即係邊個最出用福建話講嘅咋？都是當今亂看咧，即出戲咧喺幾時我都是人看幾出戲是用福建話戲嘅嗰啲歌數。
然後，啦，即係特別就 Wikipedia 咧。
哎呦，
特別就 Wikipedia 就係。
OK set。
我咪你做出你翕只係幾時咯？加你翕你換下戲，做你家己做 director， 加你 experience 嘅經驗，有蝦米無相咧？邊個嚟
？Actually, honestly speaking, I think 係一取到一個 balance between the Huana way of working and the Tenglang way of working that's be perfect。
哦，蝦米所謂 elaborate 就係講蝦米嘅無相。
OK。相對無相物件是 the Huana way of working 是較 enjoy，the Tenglang way of working 是真係 good 啦，特別無呢 enjoy 一頭行呢 ，you know what I mean 啦，咱就咁樣做好，you know，so 較無呢 the process yes I did，I wish that everyone in the team would have enjoyed the process slightly more because 有時關係緊張嘛。You know what I mean 啦？
成個講，做好做對啊，耍安尼哈呐。
對。你
冇整下睇點先到 savor 嘅 process 嘅 moment 啊？
對。But before 我個翕十六節啊17節呢，即係就過去啦嘛，對。然後過去啦，佢講，哎呦 ，actually you know 啦，計爽呢。When 你做嘅時，你冇記 pause 嚟。2 minutes or 5 minutes actually this is so good
你bakal你 team especially actors 講過哦 discuss 過你bakal share 過 about this point
actually the other good thing 同Kim 是 during the process 是冇啦 because 係tatalang the momentum 係安尼行就人 of course
你都被對咗順咗
直頭對條行啦 because everybody high 嘛 I mean everybody 去行大嘛你所以我本是一頭 and also 我本是就係講我頭一頭翕一出戲16節呢 you know what I mean 咯所以家己本就緊張講會做嚟未嚟 you know but in the end 我做嚟特別當今我 I'm happy to say the team even from the production team and also from the cast 我could still keep in touch and you know yeah talk to each other now and then 啦
好啦，當今個可能機會咯，你 premiere 是你 release 嘅時個攤記掉，好希望你可以記掉，淡薄你 cast and crew。
是咯，yeah。
你我當講起 nostalgia，可能講起咧想起我覺得，即係我係 podcast 嘅 original root 就是 nostalgia，就是因為。我到啲美國啊，真係久啦，我只少年邊咧學緊嘅聲，然後我開始做呢節目啦。所以我每你看，你有行過一條路，你翕出去時，你有 I mean of course，我 feel 到啦，我 definitely 看到 it's like so obvious。Oh my gosh，everything is like，oh my gosh，I want to hang on to it and give it a hug。 我看到你聽入面你攞啲講，咦講人用你plastic 嘅你電，唔是電啦，一包嘅。哎呀，我看到啦，哎呦，心裏去就看到是，你 go through the process 是你有感覺到呢？可能。
Of course 有啦，because 這裡是即出戲啊，the whole movie 是 nostalgia 帶我來嘅，you know what I mean？你想起古仔物件，你想起人做囡仔嘅時，你想起人嘅 brother sister， 想起人嘅 parents，you know，and 當今有回想啦，when you look back，你 perspective 無相，you know，because 古仔你做囡仔時，無得到人較硬，還是 you know，較無呢 matured，you know。看無到你較深嘅物件 you know so it all started from there 啦 so from nostalgia 起我行 so 我行 the idea is also 我咪想 sentimentalize the past you know and I want to be as objective and also as honest as possible 啦 and also 我古仔是無類嘅人啦 so although kucha the family 有鐳，特別我生出來是already the family 都坎坷了。so although 有你貴嘅物件你看到特別老爺了破去了，然後垃圾去了，you know。so I mean 為人 some of the friends I shared the script with in the 渣我寫嘅時，人講你無好做呢出戲啦，佢講你可能看到你家己衰嘅物件，特別。my feeling 是 this is really who I am 嘛，我是無類嘅地起嘅嘛 ，you know what I mean and yeah 我 family 是安尼 ，but at the end of the day it's my family。I mean Hokkien 笑
，you own it 啦，you own it 啦，uhud。
是。你特講做我條情嘅，講緊隻大笑。No it's who we are
你接受啦，你接受就是我嚟嘛。
接受 because I think in modern society 特人真係無影被 successful 被 glamorous 被 appear like what the magazine and life you know what I mean what is lifestyle it's a artificial construct lifestyle 是你看 magazine 看來講即個安尼人就應該穿安尼衫，人就應該去安尼為食你假設你內面嘅 feeling 啊，家己 in your heart 你嘅 taste， 你愛食物件係咩啊？我是食糜啦，所以我是食Hokkien。You know what I mean? It's not 5-star restaurant as it mean。唔是講 it's a terrible thing。I'm not denying that sometimes it's nice. It's nice to totally experience, but we have to recognize who we are。
然後你做人是要做下人看啦，你做人是要做下你家己。
就是你特別做下你家己。happy 家己 at peace with yourself 啦 you know what I mean I mean of course we all want a good life or we all want a better life for ourselves all the time but on what terms on whose terms you know yeah
頂幾禮拜時我有講到邊啲學嘅錄音時我調啲做你 show leading up to this 對即 release of the show 是講 about 家庭裡面嘅故事 BB 家庭裡面冇咩人知數因為他人嘅厝不有樣家己嘅故事對唔對？你rasa你有成個想過，你話哎呦，我唔知愛講出來，你是講是你家己嘅，像我嚟講是我家己嘅物件，了我嘅物件，嗰啲是人面嘅了，人全世界人知嘅了，我嘅物件，但邊度是我講，我全世界人知，我係卡地，我係物件卡最坑，我面唔知嘅了，特別你家己講你這個故事，你有驚到講別個人，你portray你厝人，還是係咩事？你想換到個，又唔知人人怎講咯咧？有想過呢
？Actually to be honest， when 我寫時我冇，特別 when 我係朋友讀嘅時候講起啦，講你可能去想到呢。But to me，上個要緊嘅物件係 intention 呀。What is my intention in doing this? My intention in doing is actually to honor my mother and to ask for forgiveness for what 做唔對嘅物件。That's the intention. So how can it be wrong? 還是我做我 intention 係我嘅件呢？還是別人看咧？別人看 in a different way. There's nothing I can do about it. You know what I mean? And 我被 control 嘅物件， what my worry what be control me kia. You know what I mean? So I have to 你唔係講你呢個會使喎，唔係我特登講佢我跳起嚟。But that's exactly it lah. I mean, si Louis intention si what's your intention? And I feel I need to do this because 我做錯咗那件物件。And if anybody 看到這出戲 and feel that yang被 pick up the phone 佢 phone yang family 講 how are you 啊呢本是I think I achieve something 啦。
唔止㗎啦，唔止講啦，你出來啦，唔止講是慢啦，你爸、你姊、你小妹、你哥、
你哥、你小弟，I mean 你小妹啊，咪個了。
望單家上幾頭話呀是，你本身嘅經驗咧是你無人有啲是無機會講到嚇。
唔是冇機會講到，都冇血講到。Because 你都 face to face 時，
哇，較坎坷嗬。
真係坎坷嘅物件啦。Because 人嘅 especially Chinese society is not a very outspoken and affectionate society family 款usually 你就係講你俾人sayang你，特別 for them to hug you 啊是。冇啦，冇你驚啦，冇，you know， yeah， it's just the way it is， and 有陣時人未曉笑啦，人講 put it that way， 人做囡仔時人未曉笑 ，and 冇去 appreciate 到，講人嘅爸母本是人嚟嘅，人嘅爸母本是有樣家己嘅 ambition and dreams and 咪個了 ，and most probably they gave up all those things or sacrifice those things so that we can to feed us and give us as good a life as they can. You know, so as we become 起來，咪去安尼特別啦，咪去 appreciate famous singers, famous actress, famous director as咪佢，你家己 appreciate 你家己嘅 family 較好啊。Because these are I really appreciate 好嘅人做咩啊？These are the people who gave up their lives or sacrificed a big part for you. 你咪未記 ，Don't forget that。
不過你若是你看了即海基新路咧，你會絕對係個想過你甲你出來人嘅感情，你甲但一個還未結識過10年前講過還未一句話，你會記掉，今日會記掉嘅，
會記。And also the other thing for us is not just to appreciate, but also 還是人會看到我古早做咩唔對嘅物件。And learn not to do that. I think that's a good thing. You know what I mean? Yeah. As long as, yeah, because 是唔對嘅物件嚟啦。
哇！Oh my god！我被大漢人看過個4號，我頭想講咱講半點鐘呢。我 question set 我無講 set 就特別咱交夾嘛，咱個了。講，誒，我只暑假我幾年裡面嘅我只暑假啦，有可能是後點有影響到嘅，就是你到底戲裡面有講到嘅大陸有幾年嚟是你問急笑啦，你問急笑，我聽到你即 OK 頭一條，你伊個戲翕了嗬，你告訴講啊嗬，是真正真啦，真正真伊個物件是真正。平時往時咱看電視機、電視戲看起來是成個 glorified 嘅 something 咧，就 everything clean up、polish 嘅了 touch up 咧。特別我看喺幾時內時候，伊是成個你 suddenly drop into 一個人嘅生活安響了。伊平常時嘅生活 ，even though 伊 pacing 伊 edit 啊，伊 cut 伊 edit 嘅 pace 啊 ，boom 真正 natural，I feel 成個真 real life 嘅款，所以我真正 appreciate 呢個。然後 topic 個咯 on top of that。所以我每你大佬你講話可能後啲幫助到咧，就是成日講可能講個急手啊咩物件，你成日邊人聽到無咱成個段就都聽過人講人講嘅話嚇，你到底戲啦面是講你無聽到啊，你邊度成日唔驚呢？你明白啊
？Yeah， 就是 actually that was very important for me and I mean honestly，後啲有 help 真係這啲物件 because I feel you have to be true to the context lah. It's because it's about Penang and Penang 嘅人係平常嘅 family，唔是講真係教讀冊，唔是講真係 強嘅 family，真係好嘅 family 係先咪。So 講話本是普通咯，you know，I mean it's not the chim language，it's not so whatever it is I was represent the family as accurately as possible 啦，you know。
佢裏面看到你嘅廚講，伊三年花車去美時看，伊就佢另外一隻搞到啲個靠，這間厝是唔是你正實嘅頂到嘅厝誒？
是啊 ，actually，一交係其實咯，是正實。
Oh my god! You learned it here. Oh. Oh my god. 所以我頭先聽到你，哇，小阿爸就對佢時，我能夠對佢Penang嘅時候俾佢看咗，我去小英，我去你。
The other thing, sorry 啊，但係我俾佢講我one more element that's really important to me was the music 啦，the music for the music score for the film, because I felt that the music score should support the scene, of course, you know, but should voice the soul of the character rather than 係被逼錄好係咪？ You know what I mean？ 你真係成有陣時 ，it's very effective 嘛 music， 你看力令啦係，那就錄好了。You know what I mean？ 你時間你冇時間你聽你 music 你就好了 ，automatic。You know what I mean? So music is powerful too. But what I wanted to do, and I think David Kun, the music director, the one who did the music score, did a fantastic job because 一時成個拖掉你 character soul 出來嘅呢。So to me, that's another element that I'm very proud of 啦。
係係咪人？係David Cole 嚟
講。
David Kun 係馬來西亞人。
是馬來西亞人，然後有一部去台灣，伊去寫歌，對佢嘅幾個 hit 嘅 song 都係俾唱by Taiwanese famous stars 啦。然後特別然後伊教佢一個台灣嘅查某，讓當然白白對嚟馬來西亞，讓我驚，然後讓開一個 music school 這邊。So
你主題曲是意思係啦。
即係伊點爽是意思係，真水嘅點爽，杜話啦，杜話是真水。
我知你歌詞應該是伊幫寫嘅咯，
是
lyrics伊幫寫嘅咯，對唔對
？lyrics伊幫寫，我意思真準嘅，伊寫頭一道我聽到嘅是冇幾唱歌佢白有佢流 ，you know because yeah I mean and I'm happy to say I'm not the only one 啦，唔是講 because 是我自己嘅 movie 我自己 feeling 嘅呢。But 別人聽到嘅時，我本真 touch because it's the whole thing about the movie is captured in the song。所以感謝你坐我起來從囡仔過我家人嘅大漢。
青春是我自由飛，看看世界有偌大，我頭過去，不甘願比真歌聲唱袂煞。你的情，我是無想好死過放，才會來後悔，感覺家己真正戇。
You know what I mean? Although 我是上個有陣時唔是你上個好嘅囝，你本是安尼一頭 set 我安尼物件。So all the sentiments of the movie is captured in the song.
Encapsulated.
Yeah. So I think I must give a shout out to David that he did a fantastic job lah. From doing the song to the music score, 真係 elegant.
我特特只聽下條歌。
若想起你的愛，為阮犧牲這呢多，千言萬語藏心內，我感謝你。若揚起咱的歌，甜蜜甘苦的心聲，幸福平凡才是人生的意義。
Before Isya the choir is one was a video copy of the play. you know 我會翕起來我做你 play in 酷講時我會翕起來 so 我學你 play 可以看一看到你 play 伊就直頭寫一個歌了 and 真啊 I mean 伊掠個真啊準啊伊掠到個真啊準伊個伊冇人掠到個真啊準啊 so then when one start 這個 movie 時 of course one movie meet 啊伊本來講伊講你會按照approach 我講我是咪嚟逼人口嘅 approach 就對啦แล้ว我會拖 the feeling of the characters 出來 in the song
你 reflect 伊 character 嘅 emotion 啊唔是你 manipulate 你 audience to feel
correct yeah so 阿是人 feel 到阿是人冇 feel 到 then 冇 feel 到咯 you know what do you do 啊 so and he did a fantastic job 啦 and we also decided 講做咩學你 film 穿開啫免講啲斜講爛啲驚 music
哇依家有款嘅咯
我講你是你
話啦嘛
你 media 多係啊頭一擺是同講有款啦佢同講斜講爛
斜講爛 so and then I mean honestly for art direction the Ray Tan did a fantastic job also 真係水伊做個伊物件佢正 and 真係水 until Christopher Doyle 被傳去香港做伊香港嘅 movie 啊哇是哦 I mean honestly 伊真係被傳去特別 Ray 都講去做伊 schedule conflict 咪要把你 job 到馬來西亞伊未走所以伊冇去
Ray 是最介紹嘅
這是個了 Leonard White producer 吹嘅話
okay
so Leonard did a fantastic job putting together 這個 team 真係有關心 and 真係有這個 correct sensitivity 嘅人 for 這個 project we put it all together 咯 so Leonard 真係kalau Malaysian Leonard 真係感謝kalau
Leonard 有聽Hokkien話啊
你是檳城嘅人嚟
Leonard 哎呀把這起來檳城
一聲地一下
第一個係蛋嘛檳城人
有一人啲妹嘛係你伊都頭先放係你 trailer 出嚟講係你有嘅人有嚟會係一段話啊講嘅人就一人啲妹講是住嘅
有嚟會有嘅人咱安怎不會記的？若是伊捌影響過咱，無管過了偌久，咱不會想起來的。
是Leonard嚟咯
，Leonard嚟咯。
頂住咱玫瑰咧 show， 我叫我梅了，你講，唔使講。你希望後尾是你希望會加。Penang 嘅audience Penang 以後講福建話是，當有聽這出戲人講時候講福建話啦，你會教人講係咩物件咧？你會 message 對人 Penang 人
I think honestly 真係要緊 for 人 to appreciate 人嘅 family especially 人嘅 mother when they are still around 啦so hopefully yang oleh ane feeling pun and yang kichwa yang parents to keep watching to when in the cinema during Mother's Day week as before that after that because percayalah asilu lu kaki bohut kai kong wajah sayang lu and kam sia lu dan lu hoi watching to yang pun cai kong lu you are trying to say that to them as well
你講Sunny講我冇講叫 Sunny 講
係啦True Sunny 嘅 character 佢講 you know yeah
你做隻口咯已經嘅 tissue paper 佢你咁寫你嗰時 one last thing 你希望Penang Hokkien 即係 movie industry potential 是按出講法上面
Obviously, honestly speaking, Penang don't need much help lah because Penang ane sui juga tata lang tu suka like hip liao like China cik Singapore production like China cik China production like hip.
Tapi si Penang Hokkien的故事咧，咱Penang只lang Penang的Hokkien的sim的故事。
是，我上帝希望嘅物件是，咱邊啲福建未講不見去，未講死去。
啊，對，
You know, because 這裡 is a 當今是真係 real 嘅物件 ，because 當你 world 行 and the world economy 是直直行是 Mandarin. So even one audition 對後點個 help one audition 嘅時，真係只見到嚟。yang嘅福建冇咪會 pass 了，you know what I mean 啊？應該只講Mandarin，
我佢會出嚟，我佢會行出嚟咩個？我出嚟講我家大母講嘛，講啷入到 audition 嘅 notice 咁時，啷就係講即出去愛出嘅時候，講福建話見啦，啷問上邊曉嘅接嚟了往嘅點先啊？我揾行出去講過，佢接嚟連續攞晒你嗰粒別曉講嘅，你大母上往嚟做咩？
就是啦，
唔係，嗰粒做明星嘅，嗰粒可以驚做明星嘅。
Yeah, kalau laujua lo, tapi the thing is, the bigger tragedy is that such a beautiful language bogi because lang especially the Hokkien is like lang like in Nanyang area ane cool ya, you know, and lang ane history mai hoi we can lah, we do our little bit to keep it alive. You know, via TV series as why he as palang he pun si Biakin. Tapi I think if we can do in some small way something to help it stay alive is si whole.
我感覺就邊啲嘅人嘅歌數個真係這個，咱用咱嘅邊啲嘅話，咱邊啲嘅環境嚟講嘅歌數個真係這個。
Yeah, because lang cina old families in Penang 嘛。So I mean, of course, and like saya kaca lu kong isi tatali family yang kaki konflik, kaki drama, kaki problem sih. So, so Cina lah. Yeah.
所以希望啦，這裡唔是頭一出，特別唔是每一出嘅邊啲學嘅嘅戲咯，等會戲。所以咱特別去支持了是，不到有可能讓 keep 個不出去 keep 到啲邊啲戲嘅事咧，讓曬去 end 咯。去做咯，去當聽邊啲學嘅嘅人，咁了當你學嘅話教啊嘛，然後講嘅去 script 嘅時候就巴拉出嚟講出嚟學嘅話。
Yeah.
So แล้วก็另外一個就是支持邊啲學嘅 persatuan 社會，甲邊啲學嘅 podcast，就是做咩事讓我聽到這類節目嘅人，尤其是那時候到啲 Astro 來呢，那時候到啲巴黎會聽到這類我人講嘅這 discussion，要讓過來聽呢，就是在講學嘅對這出戲啊，是伊像係是伊心嘅款啊，你講嘅學嘅話，巴黎話講未出伊嘅這種嘅感情。特別用福建話講出嚟呢種感情。感謝有血，拍照。
感謝John Ong，感謝記號。Yeah。
感謝
大家。
有
拜拜。
你呢排有見到啲嚟聽我嘅明星嚟講一兩嘅經驗嘅事。拜拜。
好，拜拜。
你咪是迄隻出得電視嘅 director 啦，我係大哥嘅後生啊。
你出名，我跟你老爸似啊。別怪啦，人伊名你可。
我做掉，咱係生命嘅故事。
成家阿妹你看病人們看到病夫歸記落啥物？小人我嘅先咧。
家己出來人都袂使相信。
你袂留淡薄面水互我人嘅咩？你會死啊！無翕這種字，你會死啊！
如果有回聲了，救你家己先，了解救到 Vivian 嗎？
咱的歌，甜蜜甘苦的心聲，幸福平凡才是人生的意義。
伊是我的囝，還是我無使用伊？還有追使用伊？
幸福平凡才是人生的